All right. Psalm 17, it basically contains one of the probably the longest chapters that we've did an overview for. Verse 1 through 2, seeking God attention. This is David, of course. He's seeking God attention through prayer. That's very key. That's a nice principle. Verse 3 through 5, God speaks on what God, David speaks on what God done to him and what he has done for God. So it's like one of those, hey, I did this for you, I did this for you type summary there. Verses 6 to 12, David prays for God attention. That's very key in life. Sometimes we just pray for requests and things like that. However, just to pray for God attention is very important. Um, David praying again. He's praying to be rescued and the satisfaction of God pulling him out of a uncomfortable situation and the satisfaction of taking care of the enemies who brought a lot of trouble and other things upon David.